Alright guys, welcome back to the video tutorials. In this video, you're going to learn how to structure and format your URLs. Okay, so let's dive right into the video. Right now we're on the dashboard of my WordPress. Okay, so to get to where you start optimizing your URL, scroll down to settings, then click on links. Okay, we're right at the Permalink settings where you can create custom URL structure for your blog. If you have different settings to choose from, but it's advisable to go for a clean, short URL for your post. Okay, so if you look at the different settings here, the one that truly meets our goal of being simple, contains the name of the post, and is clean, is post name. Okay, this one, the sample URL here is your blog name and then the sample post. That's all. Now if you compare it with the other formats here, this one has your blog name and the page number, the blog name, the day of publishing, and the name of the post. It's long, it's not neat, it's untidy. Okay, so when you're configuring your URL, go for this, go for post name. Okay, once you click there, you are done. Okay, so this is literally how to configure and structure. This is how to literally configure and create a custom URL for your blog posts. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.